Alright y'all, it's Stixx here. What's up? Back with another video. I was editing. I guess I didn't make an intro again. I swear I remember making an intro, but I guess I didn't. So, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. I'll be picking out the Stockton Flea Market for this video. I'm in my garage making an intro, but you know, we'll be at the Stockton Flea Market picking. And yeah.
The whole vegetable. ¿Por todo? Todo. 20.
20 for all? Okay. At least some old good cards in here. I don't know. 20 bucks is a lot. Not a lot, but like, I don't know. There's probably some good cards in these. Definitely like old. These 1991.
1998.
I don't know.
1988.
Honestly, I'll just let you guys know in the comments. You guys just tell me if this is a good buy or not. I don't think I'll end up getting it. Y'all let me know in the comments. I remember I had these ones. This is the one I got as a kid. I remember. It's the exact one. That's funny. Thing probably barely even works anyways. Oh. It's Dragon Ball. Yo, what's up, man? How's your day going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good too.
Thanks.
Do you guys have like a price for like this whole thing? You think?
I'll take offers.
Shoot. It's full of a lot of different stuff. I gotta look through it real quick.
Yeah.
I don't know what to make an offer on this.
You're Mike's son, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I recognize you. You watch this channel, right? I remember you've been in our stall. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. Not a Pokemon.
Yeah, I just made my own channel, you know, if you'd like to subscribe.
I've seen it, yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
It's a lot of cards. I like Pokemon too, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if I can make a price on all of them. Oh wait, this is the whole thing, cards too.
That's a Marvel.
My dad told me this is good, but I have no idea what this is about.
Yeah. Those top ones are good. They're 1986 and 87.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, is this your stuff or your parents?
Yeah, my stuff.
Oh, that's good.
This is my stuff. That's my mom's stuff over there and over there.
That's cool.
Yeah.
How much is this Charizard right here?
From this one?
Yeah.
I'm asking $5. I'll take 300.
I'll get it, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get it. I know Charizard sell these on eBay.
Yeah.
I'll pay $5, it's fine.
Alright,
Thank you.
thanks, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
I'll see you around. We're selling right now if you want to come stop by.
Yeah, I know where you guys are at. Yeah.
Thank
I know
you.
your dad. Yep.
Right, you have a good day. Dang, can't even get a full video of stuff out here today? It's like nothing. Alright, I didn't really show off too much, but I just bought this card off this kid. He's a fan of my dad's, so. And he said he watched my channel. I was like, I gotta buy something off him, you know. I don't really think I can resell the card for too much. If I could sell it for $5, that'd be cool, but I just bought it because I like the guy. He seemed cool. He seemed a cool kid. He seemed like a cool kid, I mean. What's up, Jack? What are you selling over here? Oh, really? Let's see if we can find someone in locker nuts to stall today. I haven't found anything so far really worth buying. I guess the card, but I want something to resell. If you guys already don't know, Locker Nuts is a big YouTuber. Check him out if you haven't already. Would you go 20 on this? I want to get it for my sister. All right, thank you.
Who is that? Who signed it?
Romo and another guy.
Oh, Tony Romo?
Yeah, and I think one of his linebacker. Forgot his name.
How much for that ball?
I'm asking 120 for that one.
All right, never mind. I'll just get this for me.
$60 signature.
Oh, they got me closed after that.
Not today, ma'am.
All right, Mikhail, if you're watching my video, you're welcome for this. I got you, you know.
I watch your dad and.
Oh, you do?
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you. That's cool.
Give me $3.
All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna go put this in my car.
I'll let you know if I got
All right. All right. I'm here every Monday, so I'll be here. All right, Michaela, I got you. You're welcome. My sister likes cowboys, and it's her birthday coming up, so
That's
I
nice.
just got this for her.
Yeah, that's cool.
I need a deal stick.
Nothing yet so far. Might buy these cards.
What about which one?
I don't know. It's like $10 for like one of those boxes, so might. There's a lot of cards in there.
You sell them on eBay?
I'd sell my live auction. I'm gonna start one soon.
Oh, really?
Oh, on what's that?
On my YouTube channel, yeah.
Oh, YouTube?
Yeah, my dad does live auctions. I was thinking I'd do the same thing.
Oh, I thought they were doing it on that.
What not?
Yeah.
I don't know. He's thinking about it.
For that.
Yeah, I think you have to like verify it or something, but I just know he does it on his YouTube. I can start doing that soon.
What about Legos? You think you can sell Legos?
Probably.
Brand new, if I gave you a deal so you can...
I probably could.
Yeah, that's why.
Are
I do
they
the same
sealed?
thing, I just don't... Yeah, they're brand new. You want them? You want to check them out?
Yeah, I will. Let's see. Someone just came up. I guess you're a fan, right? You watch my channel?
Yeah, watch your channel.
I started just when you started too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He walked up to me and said he found some Legos and said he'd give me a deal on them. So I just looked at him. I might as well get him. He gave me a pretty solid deal on them. You guys will see him soon on my own live auction. You guys will see him soon.
Slow today.
It is. Life died.
Why are we setting up shit like that? I want to find
I heard about that Yoshi car for like $15. It sold it for 45, but that is questionable if it actually would have sold or not. All right, y'all. We got all these Legos. All these Legos for $80. This Batman box alone was about $50 on eBay, give or take. So we'll see what the rest of them are worth. I haven't scanned all of them. We got a big Pokemon card in here too. There's a lot of boxes in here. Let's see. Let's scan one right now in front of you guys. Let's just see. Let's scan this one in front of y'all.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Eviana, you're in charge. I'm going to the bathroom.
Evie, you're in charge. You got it. Make prices. This sells for about $30 online, give or take. All right, so this one's about 30, this one's about 50. That's already $80. That's if those sell at those prices, of course. And there's still this many boxes. So this guy gave me a great deal. I actually like that guy for that. I appreciate him. He just walked up to me and said that. I was looking through some cards. He asked if I found some good deals. Let me make sure there's actually, I mean, it definitely sounds like there is, but I don't want to be selling everybody like non-full Legos, you know? No, this thing's like unopened. This thing, it's fine. This one is about, I guess an average would say it's 30, because somewhere like higher than 30, somewhere a little bit lower. A little bit less than 30, I guess, but hey, still, same thing. 30, if these are all like $30, that is a great deal this guy gave me. Let's see how much these smaller boxes are worth. All right, ooh, this guy. I don't know. I might be selling a good amount of these on eBay. I think I might do, I'll sell a lot of these on eBay, and then I'll sell like a lot of these on the auction maybe. I'll get like all of these together. Do an auction of those maybe. Oh shoot. But yeah,
Uncle Mike is back at you guys. We're in Stockton, California this morning here with Stixx Picks. We got the pirate floating around. We got storage stock across the way.
Storage stock. We got locker nuts back here
And
too.
glad you guys are here with us this morning. Hit that thumbs up. We only need like 49 subs and Stixx will be at 1K. Be doing live auctions coming at you.
Coming right at you.